In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a free website with Google Sites. If you've been wanting a website that looks clean, works on any device, and doesn't cost a thing, you're in the right place. We'll keep this simple. You'll head to Google Sites, choose a starting point, then name and customize your project so it fits your goals, whether that's a portfolio, an event page, or a quick team hub. Start by opening Google Sites in your browser and signing in to your Google account. You'll land on a clean dashboard. Along the top, you'll see the template gallery with ready-made designs, and you'll also see a blank option if you want full control. Everything you build auto-saves to your Google Drive, so you don't need to worry about losing your progress. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser while you set things up. Next, choose how you want to begin. Picking blank gives you a completely clean slate. Great if you already have a vision or want a minimalist look. If you'd rather move faster, open the template gallery and choose a layout that's close to your needs. Templates come with pre-built sections, coordinated colors, and sample pages you can edit or remove. You can customize any of it later, so focus on getting the overall structure that feels right. Remember, a simpler starting point often makes maintenance easier down the line. Now name your project and customize it to match your style. At the top left, give your site its document name. This is how it appears in Drive. On the page itself, set the big title so visitors know exactly where they are. Add a logo if you have one. It helps establish brand identity and can influence suggested colors. Choose a theme to instantly set fonts and color palettes, then fine-tune accents so headings and links are easy to read. Use the Insert panel to add what you need. Text boxes for clear sections, images to illustrate your message, buttons for key actions, and dividers to keep everything tidy. Drag and drop elements to reorder content, and try the pre-made layouts for fast, balanced sections. You can also embed maps, YouTube videos, calendars, or files from Drive to keep everything up to date without manual changes. Open the Pages panel to add more pages and organize your navigation. Create sub-pages for drop-down menus. Reorder pages by dragging, and choose whether your navigation appears at the top or as a side panel. Click Preview to see how it looks on desktop, tablet, and phone, and adjust spacing, text size, and contrast for readability. That's it. Go to Google Sites, pick a blank or a template, then name and customize your site to make it your own. You now have a solid foundation to build on with confidence.